Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Awilda here, hip and creative. Today's video is going to be a kitchen speed cleaning routine video. I'm very excited to be back on YouTube. It's been a little while since I was able to share a video with you guys. And before I get started, I just wanted to quickly give you a tour of my kitchen. It is not completed, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a before look before I get into the cleaning routine and show you that, we do have some dirty dishes, some clean dishes that need to be put away, some organizing, and pretty much a little bit of a tidying up. Now in this video I am not going to be tackling my stove. I will be doing that in the next video, as well as my other kitchen appliances. I want to do a separate video for you on that, just so I can take my time and really scrub it down and not give you too much of a content overload. So without further delay, let's get started. Sorry for the shaky camera, guys. I can't seem to find my tripod, so I had to mount my camera on a couple of boxes on my kitchen island so that you can have a view of me just putting things away and organizing one side of the kitchen before we move on to the other side. So as you can see here, I am doing some dishes that had some leftovers in there. My husband took the food with him to work, but didn't take the containers because he already had containers he uses on a daily basis at work. I did make a mistake of putting my microwave cover in a block of your view, and I do apologize for that. I didn't even realize I did that until I was editing the video now. So I do apologize for that, and I hope you guys can just understand and forgive my mistake. Sorry. I also wanted to bring to your attention that this past weekend was Easter, and I accidentally left my microwave cover too close to my stove, and the flames burnt the side of the microwave, well, the cover. And my wonderful husband was the one that saw it and came to the rescue and took it out of the way. So I am embarrassed, but I'm going to use it until I replace it with a new one come this week. Here I'm scrubbing the inside of my sink. I gotta tell you guys, I absolutely love this sink. It is 10 inches deep, so I can put my really big pots and pans in there, and it's super easy to clean. It came with this little grid that I put to the side here on my shelf or my countertop, and it also comes with this little strainer to keep all the food particles from going into the sink, and I absolutely love it. This strainer here, guys, it's the best. I absolutely love it. I mean, it is so simple to maintain, and as long as I keep it clean, I can even throw it in the dishwasher and wash it really well. I love it. This is the grid that came with the sink. It came in a set. I absolutely love it. It's just so much easier to just drop everything in there, and I don't have to worry about the base of my sink getting scratched. And it's very easy to remove, clean, and put right back. If you're new to my channel and you like DIYs, organizational videos, hauls, renovation videos, you name it, definitely hit that subscribe button and also click on that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos I post. I post weekly and would love to have you join my YouTube family. Here I'm using Wayman's granite and stone countertop cleaner. I actually have quartz countertops and I was told this is a really good product to use. I do apologize for the brightness you see in this video here. I turned on my lights for under the cabinets. I didn't realize it was super bright until I glanced at my camera and I noticed how bright it was. But I do make the correction of shutting the lights off in a few seconds. So sorry about that. Now the chicken you see here, I was actually defrosting it quickly on my countertop, but now that it's somewhat defrosted, I am putting it in the kitchen to keep chilled until I am ready to cook with it later on this evening. As you can see from my camera's angle, you can actually take a peek into my living room from both sides of the doorway. It's a little messy. I have to tidy it up a bit, but I want to concentrate on my kitchen, so just ignore the background for now, okay? Here I'm just going to wipe down the rest of the countertop that I didn't do yet, and then I'm going to dry off those clean dishes and put them away and move on to sweeping the floors. Here is the final shot of my clean kitchen. Okay guys, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you have any friends or family members that enjoy cleaning videos or motivational videos, definitely share this one with them. I'd appreciate the love and support. And until next time guys, I hope you all have a great day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!